I see. As you know, the upper end doesn't feel nearly as torquey.
Yeah.
You can tell that once it's spinning at like 60 or 70. So it's a single-speed drive then?
Yes.
Okay.
Most of them are single-speed drive. I think they are working. Some companies are tinkering with a 2-speed tranny, but I think most electric cars you don't need it.
I need to get better about my releasing of the throttle. It's very jerky.
Yeah, you have to sort of really
really
you
feather.
completely change your accelerator operation.
It's nice though because it does feel very neutral. So you haven't had a chance to drive this yet then?
I drove it like maybe 3-4 weeks ago.
Oh, you did?
Just around the block once, like the way you do a test drive.
Yeah. South. Oops. I love that whistle. It's very Back to the Future.
Yeah.
This is dangerous. They're getting me hooked on electric. Oops, big bump. It's very much like an airliner.
Yeah.
Jetliner. So I mean, let's see, what else am I using? 64 degrees, I'll go back to Eco Pro settings. I almost feel like dimming all the dash lights down and turning that screen off, like any source of consumption. Climate control fan.
Climate control, we don't really need it right now.
Yeah. We're in Southern California, you don't need that. So when do you think you'll get yours?
I think in the next 2 or 3 weeks. So the guy said they're getting 4 of them in, but they are for other people.
And they're exactly the same equipment, everything?
Yeah, they're all exactly the same. There's no options.
No colors, no nothing.
No,
Yeah.
all the same. They have these blue decals on the white car. That's it.
That's cool. And the year is, it's a 1 year?
2 years.
2 years, nice.
Yeah.
I look forward to hearing more of your adventures.
Well, I mean, just keep this to yourself.